we move forward. We continue to move, mengharungi satu cabaran demi satu cabaran. Tengah mengandung, buat apa-apa saja, anak sakit, kita pun buat MW. Betul tak? If anak sakit, you tengah buat kerja, you balik atau you continue your work? You still continue. But why MW we need to stop? But for me, I also appreciate my kids and my dad and my mom. Kita boleh sekeluarga, kita boleh sekeluarga berdiri atas pentas ini. Ini bukan sebarang pentas. It's not a concert stage. It's a stage of pride. It's a stage of leadership. It's a stage of example. It's a stage of happiness. I want to share with you, because from here we are the first, because we have a dream. We share a dream to have a same program. We said kita buat MW sama-sama. Kita mau buat majalah sama-sama. We want to break our MW record. We want to have a brother and sister same year break MW diamond. That's why we are here, and we put our parents, ibu bapa kita naik pentas. Bukan ambil nombor satu, number one in the school. Not graduation as a what do you call a degree holder. But something different. In front of 4,000 to 5,000 people. People fly from all the countries to come to witness our perjuangan. Isn't that amazing? We work hard. Kita buat. My kids also study very hard. They also, because of MW, business untuk family, kita dapat sama-sama naik pentas, ambil dia punya what you call academic awards. Because we set an example for them. Kita buat satu example yang baik. Dia orang belajar bersungguh-sungguh. Dalam MCO, I got my kids also ambil this academic, tapi tak ada foto sebab MCO that time tak dapat. Tapi this one is also my kids and Sean's children. I want to let you know, not because we do MW, kita neglect our kids. We don't. We set a very good example for them. We set a very good example for them. We work hard for our family, they work hard for their study. That's why you all can do it too. Dulu I nampak orang diamond bawa anak pergi travel. You all amazed or not? You admire no? Nak kan? I pun sama. Dulu pernah I duduk kat bawah sana, I pun teringin-ingin nak bawa anak saya. Jadi dalam MW, dream can be achievable. That's why I bring my kids along. They are so happy. This son is only 13 years old that time. Got to go 5 countries. He was so happy. Kita jadi ibu bapa bila nampak muka-muka macam ini, hari ini I bukan show off. I want to let you know, you also can do it. This is family's business, and family's business can merebak, very contagious like wildfire, right? This one is Ken's family. This is Ken's brother. 3 brother, younger brother. Bila saya cakap Amway saja, Amway pun belum habis cakap, semua lari. Sebab I tahu Amway baik, tapi dia orang tak tahu. Selepas itu, bila dia orang tahu, dia nampak kita punya usaha dan they see what we get from life. Today, they are in this business. Founders Emerald and Emerald Ready. Because of we fight to this ALS, they fight together. They see us very happy, they come in and happy together. Then they all go ALS together. When they go ALS together, these in-laws my sisters-in-laws in-laws all doing Amway, all platinum and above and sapphire. I believe today a lot of bring family to come to witness this spectacular BES, right? Family business mah. Jadi bila kita sudah pergi melancong, this one is Ken's eldest brother. Ken got 6 brothers. Sudah 3 jadi my ABO, and this one sudah follow up 10 tahun. Big brother mah taiko, very taiko one this one. Bila cakap Amway, dia senyum saja. Sudah follow up 10 tahun, dia tak mau. Tapi MCO datang. Selepas MCO dia retired. Wah, dia retired dia sangat senang sampai dia nampak kita buat Amway sangat happy dia pun masuk buat Amway. Dia kata try lah, mana tahu satu tahun dia jadi Founders Platinum. I want to share this story. This is my younger son, anak bongsu saya. Anak bongsu saya ini dia masa saya deliver dia cuma 29 months. 29 months pula. 29 weeks. Dia cuma 1.3 kg. Masa tu saya tak tahu macam mana. Tapi got one case. One day I pergi NICU. I masuk dalam NICU, I nampak satu kawan tu dia menangis kat situ. Ayo, menangis kat NICU tu. NICU you know where, no? Never mind, no good place. Masuk NICU, I nampak dia nangis. I pun takut dah, I pun nak risau dah. I tanya dia, apa you nangis? Ada apa hal tak dengan baby you? Dia tengah menangis. I tanya dia, baby ada hal tak? Dia kata tak ada. I kata, dalam hati saya, baby tak ada hal, apa nak nangis? Betul tak? Tapi dia cakap, the doctor says I need to stay with my baby. I need to make a choice to stop my work. I kata, this time stop work, ada apa hal tak? Ada apa hal tak? Anything? For me, nothing. But for her, dia kata, if I don't have my work, I don't have income. That time, I sedar. Please help me. Okay. Please. Sedar. Every day we are talking about this kepentingan passive income and family legacy income. Every day we on stage say, we share. But on that day, at that moment, I really felt something very different. Is that, and when luckily I do it before I need it. What semasa kita tak perlu. I ada peace of mind. I tak ada masa nak fikir tentang I punya kerja ke, apa ke, saya tak ada. Saya cuma nak tahu I punya baby can grow or not, can move on or not, can be healthy or not, can live or not. That's why today I urge, saya nak cakap, I nak urge everyone to have a thinking before anything happen. Kita tahu kita punya duit berapa banyak, tapi kita tak tahu berapa masa kita ada kan. Sama that time. Saya tahu bisnes, saya masih boleh continue. Bukan continue, malah boleh berkembang. That time my network grow a lot of emeralds, a lot of founders platinum. And today he's like that. Thank you, Neutralite. If not because of Neutralite, I don't know how. Okay? So, they are our future. Today, you are their future fighter. All fathers and mothers here, please, ibu bapa kat sini, you are the fighter. You are the strongest. Build a legacy for them. Thank you.
Okay, due to the time constraint, this topic is about legacy. Kita jemput cepat-cepat, kita punya family naik ke pentas, okey tak? Sebelum ada pergi ke sembahyang, let's welcome my family, my mother and my uncle and auntie. Ya, bagi dia orang satu sambutan. Because of this business ada legacy, betul tak? So seorang dalam Amway, sekeluarga dekat dalam Amway, okay? Atau bagi mak saya dekat dalam dekat sini.
Shan, mak Shan berapa umur? Berapa umur?
Siapa?
Umur
berapa umur? Mak
74.
Berapa ramai keluarga Shan buat Amway?
Hari ini ada berapa kaki dekat dalam hall ini?
4 lah. Ada 4.
4 kaki dekat dalam. 4 grup lah dekat dalam.
Mas, berapa lama dah tak buat Amway? Berapa lama dah tak buat Amway?
Tak buat lah. Oh, sudah lama lah. saya income adalah.
Banyak tak? Banyak tak income?
Anyway bagus. Kalau tak buat pun ada income. Saya 46 tahun saya masuk Amway, tapi mula saya tak mau Amway, tapi saya tengok Amway punya itu passive income very good. Saya punya apa?
Sekarang tiap-tiap bulan dapat duit tak? Tiap-tiap bulan dapat bonus tak?
Ada.
Banyak ke sikit?
Tiap
13 hari bulan.
Tiap-tiap tahun pun keluar Amway leadership seminar ada. Sudah depan dia. 28 kali lah. Orang macam tiap tahun pun boleh pergilah.
Walaupun tak buat MWay ya. Walaupun tak buat MWay pun MWay hantar pergi melancong.
Boleh lah. Saya mula saya tak cakap banyak. Tak cakap banyak tapi MWay pun boleh buat lah. Kalau mau buat MWay, mau believe MWay boleh berjaya. Kalau believe mau action mau tahan. Tak betul lah. Tahan. Kalau you mau buat MWay mau believe lah. You tak believe, you tak action. Saya start itu MWay deh 2 tahun, 1 tahun saya tamam, bila tamam, tapi saya tengok itu OPP, ya, tamam buat lah. Kalau boleh cari 3 orang jadi Didi ya, saya boleh jadi itu emerald. Wah, saya suka. 3 orang saja lah. Kalau saya
give up.
Tak. Kalau saya ada many friend tak boleh cari 3 orang jadi Didi ya, ayah saya malulah. Saya believe kalau saya rajin cari orang mau MWay baik. Mana ada orang tak maunya?
Siapa 3 orang tu yang jadi Didi? Siapa? 1. Siapa?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wah!
Macam itu saya ingat 3 orang saja mah. MWay bukan mau saya cari 36. 36 baru boleh jadi emerald. 3 orang saja. Saya believe kalau saya rajin kerja, rajin cari orang mau MWay-nya, saya boleh jadi emerald. Saya
Sekarang pangkat apa?
Dia pakai 22 bulan jadi Flag Emerald.
ya. Macam itu saya okey lah. Sekarang saya boleh happy, banyak happy. 3. Sekarang saya punya cucu semua 6 orang sudah mari pakai belajar MWay.
Okay, so inilah bisnes legacy kan? Kalau MWay tak bagus, tak akan one whole family dalam MWay business. So you must believe, percaya dan berubah. Pilihan anda adalah yang paling penting sekali. Semoga anda berjaya dalam bisnes ini. Thank you very much.
Wow.